Verse 25. Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection.
Oh. Pega akafanga. I am the resurrection. I want us to go back Wednesday. Which resurrection is this one? No. Spiritually and morally resurrected. Spiritually and morally resurrected. You don't wait for the grave. You don't wait to die physically. A godly life cannot be buried. A godly life cannot die. A godly life cannot be overcome by poison, witchcraft. It's impossible. Once you attain such power, let them come in numbers. Let them come and try you. Let them prepare poison. Let them prepare charms. They will find such power living in your body. Living in your body. Hey, you are not afraid. Let them try. Because you know the power that lives in you. It can repel evil. It can deal with witchcraft. It can deal with Satanism. Because the purpose of the enemy, John 10:10, the thief has come to steal, kill, and destroy. He came to steal, kill, and destroy. Now, when he comes to you, there's nothing to steal. There's nothing to destroy. There's a godly life already in you. Jesus says, but I have come so that they can have life. Meaning, when he comes to you, as John 10:10, Jesus has already come. Resurrection power living in you already before you die. There's nothing to steal, there's nothing to destroy. He has come to steal, kill, and destroy. He might be stealing your peace, preparing you for the second step. After death, destruction, he destroys you. He might be stealing your peace right now, and you are not aware. Meditating, when troubles of this world come, they get worried and the enemy steals the weight from them. Once you lose the weight, so the life of Jesus Christ. You might be here. He's busy stealing from you. Your peace is going. Your mind is going. He's preparing you for the second. Killing you. Okay. Go on, Gangan.
Verse 25.
Just flip back. I'm telling you, people are praying. We wonder why some of the believers, it's because you don't have such power yet. So but you are doing it not yet resurrected. Morally and spiritually. Meaning there's still a bad seed in you that has not died yet. That's why Jesus clearly said, the devil has nothing on me. But if he has something on you, he will deal with you. Jesus said he has nothing on me. Because where there's life, the enemy has nothing. But where there's death, there's sin. Go on.
John chapter 10 verse 10. The thief comes only.
Comes only, born only. One. Not to one. Only. Many. Comes only. Who's the Lord? Let's go.
The thief comes only in order to steal and kill.
To steal. And it doesn't kill first. No, he steals. Peace. He steals. Focus. He steals by bringing troubles. So there are some morals that have been stolen. Most check also solo muntu bowuye before uhlangana le nkinga, you are a different person. He has stolen from you. He's already preparing to bury you. Yes, it's tough. Yes. It's him, man. Upizu entertain stress. Don't worry, the thief is stealing. Upizu any depression. Don't worry, something is being stolen. Second step, death. So Jesus going to the grave, knowing you'll be raised on the third day. The enemy could not steal anything from you. Beaten, humiliated, put a cross of thorns, a crown of thorns. Jesus, nothing was stolen from him. Though was child, nothing stolen. Still morally, spiritually, resurrected, going to the grave without contamination, without corruption, going to the grave peacefully. Peacefully. The enemy stole nothing from him. Sweet Jesus. The devil could not steal anything from him. You might be a believer, you are worshiping God, but the devil is busy stealing from you. Papa, privately, publicly, burial. Burial, you die before time. When doctors check depression, stress, high blood, high blood, wafa. He stole from you. So you go to the grave already. You are sure die. Jesus went complete. He went complete. Nothing was taken from him. Nothing was stolen from him. Went full of life. Full of resurrection. And when the grave checked him, said nothing is stolen yet. The grave had to say, I have to let you go. No. Kufa abantu bedepression lana sinqoba bedepression la beshukela kanti wena ufe njani already before he died physically. Now when witches gather and they want to bewitch you, the purpose is one. They first have to steal from you. They have to prepare situations. They must make you to be in trouble so that you lose something. You lose your peace, you lose your joy, and then you end up doing what is wrong. That's why abanye beni banloyela ukuthi indawo so that bazokuthola ngotshwala. Omunye bamloya ukuthi hamba uyenza ubufebe sizokuthola lapha ebufebeni. Because they can't touch you. They must make you to commit something. There's something that must be committed for them to win you. If Jesus says the devil has nothing on me, it means angenzanga lutho emglorifiyayo. Angenzanga lutho ejabulisa uSathane. Everything I do, in my pain, the Father is glorified. In my pain, the Father is pleased.
Uthokozile.
It's not the enemy stealing from me.
Esitshontshayo kimi.
Though ubukeka ngathi ngiyashaywa ngishaywa uSathane. The Father
Ubaba
is pleased to wound the Son.
uyathokoza ukulimaza
Without the
indodana.
devil stealing from the Son.
Ngaphandle koSathana ntshontshe endodaneni.
In pain, nothing been stolen.
Ebuhlungwini kodwa kukho kwantshontshwa.
Persecution, nothing been stolen.
Ekusikelweni kukho kwantshontshwa.
Now this guarantees you to go to the grave
Manje lokhu
successfully
ethuneni uphumelele.
and come out
Bese uyaphuma nqobile.
without a worm,
Kungenasibungu.
without worms in your body.
Kungenasibungu emzimbeni wakho.
Come on, let's get what God is teaching us today.
Ya ke sithole lo uNkulunkulu asifundisa kona namhlanje.
The enemy came to steal,
Isitha sicela ukuzontshontsha,
kill,
sibulale
and destroy.
bese siyabhubhisa.
But where there's resurrection power,
Kodwa la kunamandla okuvuswa,
the purpose of the enemy
injongo yesitha
is nullified. Because his purpose is to kill. So you make the enemy to lose purpose.
wenza isitha silahlekelwe yinjongo.
You make the devil to lose
Wenza
purpose.
uSathana alahlekelwe yizinjongo.
Because his purpose is to
Ngoba injongo
kill.
yakhe ukuthi
So
abulale.
if I'm found in life,
Uma ngithola
where is the
ephileni,
purpose of the
iphi
enemy?
injongo
Where is
yesitha?
the purpose of the devil?
Iphi injongo kaSathane?
Where is his purpose?
Iphi na injongo yakhe?
Because his purpose is to kill
Ngoba injongo yakhe ukuthi
and
abulale,
destroy.
abhubhise.
But a godly life,
Kodwa impilo kaNkulunkulu
hey, no purpose to the enemy.
eyakunanjongo yesitha.
No matter what he does to you,
Noma ngabe wenza
he does not fulfill the purpose.
akafezi injongo yakhe.
You remain glorifying God,
Uhlezi nje wena ukhazimulisa
Purpose of
uNkulunkulu.
God.
Injongo kaNkulunkulu
fulfilled.
ifezeka.
He cannot steal from you.
Angeke antshontshe kuwe.
Now, peace is already stolen. You are not aware. Somebody is preparing a grave for you.
Akhona ukulungiselela ithuba.
The enemy.
Sitha.
Soon you'll be ill.
Maduzane nje.
Elisha became ill and died
wagula
while carrying power
aphethe wona amandla
because of anger.
ngenxa yentukuthelo.
Because of anger,
Ngenxa yentukuthelo.
the enemy stole from him.
Eyisitha santshontsha kuye.
He died before time.
Wafa kungafika ngesikhathi.
While his father was caught up with the chariot,
Ubaba wakhe yena athethwe.
the enemy could not fulfill the purpose
Isitha zange sifeze injongo.
to Elijah.
U-Elijah.
But with Elisha,
Kodwa
Elisha got
u-Elisha
ill and buried.
Wagula wangcwatshwa.
But Elijah,
Elijah yena wahlwithwa.
that's why he said to him, if you can see me,
Ingakho wathi uma nje ungangibona
you will have it.
uzoba
You will
nayo.
have double portion.
Uzoba
If it's double portion, why do you go to the grave?
Ungani manje kuye ethuneni?
If you have received double portion, why are you buried?
Phinde kungani ungcwatshwa?
Why do you become ill?
Kungani ugula?
But your father said, you take double portion from me.
Uthi uzothatha okuphindaphindiwe kimi.
Meaning Elisha was supposed to do something shocking than what we saw from Elijah.
Yeah, bekufanele enze izinto ezimangazayo kunaloko esakubona ku-Elijah.
There was no even ukugula bekungamelanga kubonakala.
Yeah.
Because the person who passed on the mantle
Ngoba lo mnikezelo ogcobo
never got sick and died.
azange agule afe.
Never got sick and died.
Azange nje agule afe.